Hello and welcome to Operation Crypto and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to take a look at Vechain. We'll have a look at some of the key statistics and then we'll do some price analysis on the USDT and BTC pair. First up, please make sure you do hit that like button, that you are subscribed to my channel, and let's crack on. Vechain, which is ticker VET, it is currently ranked number 20 of all cryptocurrencies that we have listed on CoinMarketCap. We have a coin price today of, you could call it 3 cents, $0.0303. It is up 20% on today's trading. A maximum supply of 86.7 billion, and out of those currently in circulation we have 64.3 billion. We are getting a 24-hour volume of $672 million, and that brings the market cap today just shy of $2 billion, $1.9 billion. If we look at markets where we're getting that trading, Binance is getting a fair old chunk there. We're getting 21% of the entire market volume against Tether. And then we have quite a few exchanges. OceanX is their own exchange. Bitrue is getting a fair bit of volume. If you scroll down and you're looking to get hold of some, there's 100 different pairs. So if you're looking to get hold of some Vechain, it is fairly simple to get hold of. It is not on Coinbase yet, but I have heard a few rumours about that, like many other coins. So we just need to watch out and see if that does get listed there. One final point is the all-time highs. And that was, where is it? Down here somewhere. All-time high was today. Yep, 3 hours ago, and we did hit pretty much 3 cents on the nose, and then we have started to retrace a little bit, but that's a given. So we'll look at the charts now, and we'll have a look at some potential areas that you could invest, and some potential areas to target going forward. Here we have Vechain versus Tether. This is a daily chart on Binance. I do most of my trading on Binance. If you are looking to get hold of some Vechain or any other assets, then the link for Binance is in the pinned comment and the description. So let's start off on the daily time frame. I've only got two key levels marked up here. I've got some monthly support at 0.023 and some weekly support down at 0.021. So that's 2.1 cent and pretty much close to 2.3 cent there. So what I want to first up do is put a bit of a little bearish scenario on this and just have a look at some potential areas to invest if you've not got in already, because remember that things what go up must come down at certain points, and people do look for investment areas. So what I'm going to use is a Fibonacci, and I'm going to take the entire move here. So from the 24th of December, this wick down here, up to the top to that wick there, and as you can see, we are given a few levels here. What I'm looking for is potential buy zones, really, and you would expect if we do start to reject off this area, these levels here. So the first level could be at 0.026, and then we could have another level on the 382 Fibonacci at 0.023. So we'll just mark those areas up because they could be good key areas to place some orders and potentially fill them if the market does drop a little bit. We know that things do randomly drop at the drop of a hat, so we'll just move that down there. So that's two levels. Usually what I do if I'm looking to invest, I do also target the 618 level down here, but personally I think the markets are too bullish now and I can't see it dropping down there. So I'm just going to leave the 236 level and the 382. So we'll get rid of that fib. That's two levels there to potentially target going forward on USDT pairs. We may start to come down, but we may not. Also, we just need to be aware that we have a solid monthly support level here. So really, you could cover that 382 box into there. So really could be two big areas. Personally, I would place some orders here if you think you've missed the boat. Because, I mean, down from where are we now? Let's have a look at price or drop from current price. Price entry. If you're looking to put some orders in now, that's like you're looking for a 12% drop down to that box. So that is possible. We know things that go up obviously come down. We came up here, we rejected off weekly support, came down, and then we've popped back up. So we potentially might drop down here into this box. So that is two potential buy zones there on USDT. If we're looking for some targets going forward, then we are in price discovery mode now. We hit the all-time highs, which was 0.030845, so that's pretty much 3 cents on the nose. What tends to happen in cryptocurrency is when things are pushing and in price discovery mode, you need to target round numbers, so 3 cents, 4 cents, 5 cents. I think the next major hurdle is pushing up towards 5 cents, so I'm going to put that up as my next major target. And we'll use a horizontal line here, 5 cent on the nose around there. So that is, we'll just mark it up as my first target. If we can see my first target there. So that is the first target for Vechain, and I do think that it could happen fairly quick. If we just look at that from current prices, we'll do it from the all-time highs actually. It's a 62% move that. That's going to add a fair bit of market cap to the project, but we know things in cryptocurrency can start moving fast. If you was around in 2017, things move really quick, especially like the alt season we had back in 2017. Once people start knowing about it and seeing that there's potential gains out there, every man and his dog will come in and start pushing the price up. So that is where I think we'll go. If we just put a fib on again, but we'll do it backwards, and we'll have a look at some Fibonacci extensions and see what they're saying. From bottom and move to a top and move. You could say that the next major target is here on the 1.72 level at 0.033791. So that is the next level to potentially target once we break above all-time highs. We're going to have pretty much close to 4 cent there and then 5 cents. So that is where I expect it to go. Hopefully we can pretty much bounce up soon. So if you're looking for a potential area to buy, then potentially it could come down here. Wrong tool, get rid of that. If you're looking to buy, where's my arrow gone? Right, so if you're looking to buy, we're hoping for that, and then after that we're hoping for this. That would be the perfect setup if you are not in yet. If you are already holding, then we may not reject and we may pretty much carry on and head up towards this first target of 5 cent. I do think that is a crucial area, and it's a big level to target considering we're at 3% and it's a 60% move from here. But I do think it should happen, hopefully within the next month or two, potentially even quicker depending how bullish the markets are. So that is some potential buy zones in USDT. And the first target for me, I mean, there's a target on the Fibonacci extension around 3.3 cents. So once we do close above that, then we can have a look at some further targets. But my next major target is 5 cent. Once we do close a daily candle above 5 cent, I will jump into some more analysis of this video and identify some more key targets going forward. So that's Vechain against Tether. Now let's have a look at a BTC. I've not marked any areas of support and resistances, so that's what we're going to do in this video. If you have not marked areas of support and resistance up before, then this could be a little bit of a lesson. So I'm just going to start off on a monthly time frame, and what I'm looking for is 2 weeks of a candle which pretty much confirms that is a valid area of support. So what I'm looking for is 2 weeks. So just working his way down, see if we can see anything that marries up. So that is the first one there. If I get my horizontal ray, if you look at this wick here, actually goes all the way through to that wick and rejected off the same area. So to me, that confirms that is a valid area of monthly resistance at current prices. Let's just see if we've got any more down below. There's one there. That's quite a big area. In fact, if you look at this candle here, was that the right one? Yeah, it was. So we actually rejected off that, and then we bounced off his support here. Bounce, support, rejection. So, oh no, that's a support though. So that is another key level of monthly, which will be resistance at current prices, and then one more potentially down here. I don't want to put too many on, but in fact, no, I'm not going to put any more on. We'll drop into the weekly time frame. Let's get rid of that a second. So we've got 2 levels there. Let's see if we've got anything else a little bit higher on the weekly, and that will give us some good areas to target. Nothing there. Nothing there. So I don't think I'm going to put any more, to be honest. No, that'll do. So we have some good levels there. We're not going to put any more on. We'll just drop into the daily time frame. So what we're doing is we're working in Satoshis here now. And the first major hurdle of resistance is 110 Satoshis. Currently we are trading at around 87. We've just popped up a little bit there. So what I need to do, again, just have a look for a bit of a bearish scenario. And we'll put a fib on from the bottom of the move here. If you look at that wick there, all the way up to the top. We'll use that wick there. So if you're looking for a place to invest, then you could target these 2 levels here. I think this could be one at 75 Satoshis. This all depends on what Bitcoin does as well, remember. So if Bitcoin starts mooning, then these Satoshi pairs might get hammered. If we just look at BTC a second, it's at $34,000. If that starts pushing up to 36, 37Ks, then what happens is the Satoshi pairs will get wrecked and you might be able to fill some orders. So that is a potential buy zone there. And also we will have a look at the 618 level here at 66 sats. I've got a feeling we might not come down there because the markets are very, very bullish. What we're looking for is a sideways Bitcoin, really. We want Bitcoin to go sideways or even down a little bit, then alts can have their time and start pushing on, because a lot of these, if you just zoom it out on the, look at that, we've been absolutely hammered. I mean, since, when was that, when we're up at 238 sats in July last year, it's been hammered ever since, really, and that is due to Bitcoin doing opposite and going up that way. So it is a good time, in my opinion, to buy. These are some low levels here, and I think that could be some good potential areas there to fill in at 75 sats and 66 Satoshi. So we'll get rid of that fib. What we need to do, first target really is 110 sats. So that is the first main hurdle. And then after that, we have 152 Satoshis. What I'm going to do is have this as my first target. Once we do push a daily candle above 110 sats, I will jump into some further analysis. Also, I will drop some charts in my Telegram group, which is the Crypto Troops. Again, we'll find that link in the pinned comment and the description. So that's going to do it for today's analysis. That is some potential buy zones in USDT and my first target of 5 cents. And then Satoshis, we have some buy zones here at 75 sats and 65 sats. And then potential first target is 110 sats. If we do break above that, that's quite a crucial area. Look at all these wicks that have bounced off there. If we do start pushing up there, that will flip that area to support, and the market will start to look good. So let's say that's going to do it for today's video. That is the analysis in Tether and a BTC pairing. So thanks very much for listening. Please make sure that you do hit that like button, that you are subscribed to the channel, and I'll catch you next time.